The flex plate for a steam drive system with the lower unit outside, this is the steam drive or inboard outboard system. The flex plate or plate absorber is different like the typical flex plate of inboard gas or diesel engines. In this particular case, the springs of these flex plates, those springs, are replaced for a piece of rubber. This is a piece of rubber, and the shaft is surrounded by the rubber, that piece of rubber. And this element is bolted on the flywheel, and the splines of the shaft enter in the internal splines of this hub. When the engine is spinning, the momentum of the engine is absorbed for the rubber in between, and the rubber works like a damper and absorb that excessive momentum, and the gear for forward and reverse in the transmission, exactly the same like we have on the screen on top, engage easily. In other words, this is the clutch. The clutch is basically a piece of rubber in between the plate and the shaft. The splines of the shaft engage with the internal splines of the hub. And right now, this element absorbs the vibration with the rubber. This is the typical flex plate for a steam drive system, inboard, outboard. And this is the typical flex plate for inboards, gas and diesel, straight transmission and V-drive transmissions.